Welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. For this, you want to start the WhatsApp app. We start it, and you want to click on the Settings tab in WhatsApp. And here you go to Chats. And it's important that you look at the chat backup. So you click on it. Here you can see I don't have any backup made, but if you made a backup, you can see all deleted messages and you can export the chat right here. So it's a very easy method. You just click on chat backup. You can even turn on auto backup, weekly, daily, monthly. So you click on backup. I don't have any storage, but this is the method. If you have any other questions about WhatsApp, please let me know down below in the comments. See you in the next video.